Hello everyone, welcome to the next video of the grammar playlist, that is modals. So if you haven't watched the playlist yet, the link is in the description below. Hello everyone, welcome to 9mclasses. My name is Sukanya, so let's get started. So what are modals? Modals are helping verbs that expresses ability, permission, possibility, future intentions or hypothetical situations. Okay, it will always come in the base forms of the verbs, okay, and it does not have any further forms like s, es or et. Okay, let's not get more confused. Let's start with some examples and make it more simpler. First one, can. Can always shows ability. For example, I can swim. That is my personal ability, right? Must. Must means necessity. That is 100%. You must wear a seat belt. You have no other choice. May. May is a permission, okay, or it can also come under possibility. Okay, we will discuss further. May I come in? Okay, that is a permission. May I come in? Would. Would is generally used for hypothetical situations like that there is a bare minimum chances of occurrence. Like for example, I would buy a car if I had money. Okay, but I haven't bought that car. Now let's discuss these modals under each category. First one, modal of ability. Okay, so the helping verbs here are can and could. For example, I can speak English means that is the present ability. We can do it right now. Okay, and see, she could dance well when she was young. It's not sure that if she can dance right now. Okay, it's a past ability. She could do that, but now we don't know. Now next is modal of permission. Okay, so under permission there are two helping verbs, that is may and can. Okay, may is a more kind of a formal permission, while can is an informal permission. For example, you may leave now. It's very formal. You may leave now. That is a permission. Okay. Similarly, can I borrow your book? That is more informal kind of a thing. Next is modals of possibility. It is categorized as weak possibility and a strong possibility. Okay. So it is may and might. Might is a weaker possibility and may is a strong possibility. For example, it might rain today and she may be at home. Okay. Next is modals of necessity and obligation. Okay, here it is more kind of your behavior which directly replicating your own manners, mannerisms, etc. And there is some kind of moral obligations as well. Okay, for example, you must wear a seat belt. Okay, that is a strong necessity. It is very important for you to do. And next is you should exercise daily. It's not a mandatory thing, but yes, that shows how you are, how you maintain yourself, right? Next is modals of future intentions. Okay, future, as we have already discussed this in the tenses. If you haven't watched the video on tenses, the link is in the description below. Okay, so will and shall, as we have already discussed there, is directly indicating to the future. I will call you later. Okay, it is a future action. While shall, as I said, is a formal kind of future intention. So he shall complete the work soon. It is it is that kind of a future intention which you generally use for your email writings or when you are writing or drafting something which is very formal. Now let's see how to use these modals and some common errors. Okay, modals are always followed by the base verb. Base verb means the root form of the verb. Okay, means which is not being changed by any kind of alphabets or any kind of suffixes or prefixes. Okay, so see here, he can to be swim. To be is unnecessary there. That's why the sentence is incorrect. He can swim is directly showing his ability. Okay. Now next, see, in modals we don't use s or ed with the words. Okay. That is, she must go. No, she must go. That's it. Next is for making questions and negatives with modals. Okay. Like, can you help me with this? That's a question. Can is a modal and that is a helping verb and making that as a questionable form. Second, you should not waste food. Okay, you know that whenever in a sentence you add no or not, the sentence automatically goes into the negative form. So see here, you should not. After the modal should, there is the word not, which makes the sentence negative. She should not waste food. So I hope you have understood the meaning of the modals, and if you have to check yourself how much you have understood it, you should go with this quiz and post your answers in the comment section below. Let's see the questions. You dash finish your homework before watching TV. I dash play the guitar when I was 5. It dash rain tomorrow. You dash drive a car without a license. So that's it for the day, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if this video was very useful for you, don't forget to watch the rest of it. Also comment loved if you have loved this video.